Hello everyone, this is Jacob with Nexus, and I'm here at 95 Langdon Street, Unit 2, located in Providence, Rhode Island. This is a second floor unit housing 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Has been recently renovated with fresh paint and new flooring. Some of the other features include in-unit laundry, off-street parking, gas, baseboard heat, and private front porch. So, we're going to begin our walkthrough of this unit right in the centralized kitchen area. Houses a brand new laminate wood flooring, looks fantastic and very well done. You also have lots of cabinets in this kitchen area all throughout for plenty of storage, along with spacious countertops to boot. The appliances in this kitchen include the 4-burner gas stove and oven, the single bin sink with the spray nozzle attached. You also have your medium-sized refrigerator right over here, and right next to that is the in-unit laundry, all hooked up and ready to go. Awesome. All right, going to continue onward into the living area right over here. The living room and both bedrooms feature a brand new carpet flooring and of course have the fresh coat of paint throughout. You also have plenty of outlets in this living area and plenty of space for any kind of furniture setups you like to have. Very spacious, open floor layout in here. Awesome. And before we go check out the bathroom and bedroom, we're going to go outside and look at the private front porch you have. You have plenty of room out here for any setup of lawn chairs or whatever extra furniture you'd like to have out here. Got a beautiful breeze and a fantastic view of the street as well. Awesome addition to have to your unit. Perfect. Now we're going to go look at those 2 bedrooms. First, we'll start on the bedroom on the left side. Now, both bedrooms are basically identical in both size and features. As I previously stated, they feature new carpet flooring, fresh paint. They also have the baseboard heat and some outlets for any electronics. And this bedroom actually houses 2 closet spaces, and the bedrooms have about a good amount of space for a standard size bed set, possibly even a queen size bed set. However, it might limit you on furniture placement in here. All right. So this is the first bedroom on the left side. Gonna move on to the bedroom on the right. Again, basically identical to the first bedroom you saw. Not many differences between the two. The only difference being that the first bedroom has 2 closet spaces, but isn't particularly that big of a difference. Okay, last but not least, let's go look at that bathroom. Now the bathroom features a stylish tile flooring and stylish tile walling. A great fit for the bathroom. You also have the small sink area over here with the mirror vanity up above. And right across from that is your full tub and shower. Alright. So once again, this is 95 Langdon Street, Unit 2, located in Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of the listings that we publish on our site. And of course, any news that we publish about real estate and property management. Thank you very much.